CQ 17 meters. Hello, 17 meters. CQ 17, CQ 17, CQ 17. Calling any station anywhere. This is Kilo 2, Golf Oscar Delta, K2GOD. CQ 17 meters, hello, 17 meters. CQ 17, CQ 17. Calling any station anywhere. This is Kilo 2, Golf Oscar Delta, K2GOD. CQ 17, CQ 17, CQ 17 meters, hello 17, CQ 17, calling any station, anywhere, from Kilo 2 Golf Oscar Delta. This is K2GOD. CQ 17 meters, hello 17 meters, calling any station anywhere, CQ 17 meters, CQ 17, from Kilo 2 Golf Oscar Delta. This is K2GOD.
November 7, Romeo Sierra.
Okay, I think I got November 7, Romeo Sierra. All right, very good there. This is Noel in New Jersey, and I'm currently doing a test of a live stream on YouTube. I'll give you a signal report on the way back. So back to you from K2GOD.
K2GOD M7 RSS November 7. Sierra. The name here is Jerry. Tango Echo Romeo Yankee, and the location is Washington State. Whiskey Alpha
QSL Terry, nice to meet you. You're a 5'7" maximum here. I don't think the propagation is that great, and I have a little bit of noise in the band. But you can be heard, and I can give you a 5'7" report. How do you copy me? Over.
There's quite a bit of QSB. You're everything from a 5'5" to a 5'9", so, take your pick, but so far pretty easy copy, but I don't trust this band. It's been up and down. I've checked in on it since this morning, and it's been up and down and kind of squirrely, but in any event, easy copy now, and you're doing a good job. Could I hear a little something about your station?
Roger. Well, I'm in New Jersey, like I said, and I'm using the radio is an ICOM IC705. That's a QRP reg, and it puts about 10 watts of power, but I'm also using an amplifier, which is a Mercury 3S. I think the company is KM, I think. And this amplifier is right now being pushed to somewhere around 700 watts. So I'm pushing out 700 watts with just, I think I'm using probably 2.5 watts input. And the antenna is a full wave 80 meters loop, and it's probably hanging anywhere from 40 to 55 feet up in the air. It's a square shape, horizontal. I hang it from my trees with a drone, and that's the antenna. And the radio and the amplifier. Back to you. What's your station there? What are you running? Over.
Yeah, well, you're doing a great job. You're booming in here. I am running a barefoot Icon 7300 to a hex beam up at 40 feet, and that's pretty much it. I have an antenna tuner, but it's in pass-through mode because I get good SWR and don't need it on 17 meters. I am a battery-operated station. I am running on two 100-amp-hour AGM batteries, and then I have a small 100-watt solar panel on the rooftop to keep them charged up. And my ham shack is out in the garden shed. Consequently, I do not have AC power out here, so I make do with batteries, but I get out okay.
Roger, Roger. This is K2GOD. Incidentally, I'm running most of my station on solar power and battery power, but when I'm using the amplifier like today, that is connected to a 240 outlet, so that's not powered by the solar system. But everything else, the lights, the radio, the tuner, the computer, everything is powered by the battery bank and the solar panels. I could power this. I also have another off-grid system that puts out 240 volts, but I try not to really use it with the amplifier because it kind of sucks a lot of juice out of the battery bank. So that's basically the condition there. You know, I may just buy a small power amp, 50 to 100 watts, just to attach it to the battery bank, and that's more doable with the batteries than this big gigantic amplifier. It draws a lot of current. Very well. Well, I appreciate you coming back to my call. I'm streaming this on YouTube. If you go to my QRZ page, you're gonna be able to probably see the stream. I'm gonna keep it there for a few days, and you'll be able to hear yourself. The only thing is I have a little bit of noise from some electrical components here, so when the signal weakens, you can hear the noise at times. But feel free to check it out. And nice to meet you, Terry, and thanks for spending the time to chat with me from K2GOD. Back to you.
Okay, well, QSO, and we will go check it out because like you really want to know what your audio quality is and your signal strength.
Okay, Terry, very well. Your signal went down a little. I hope you still hear me. Sadly, the propagation went bad. I think I'm going to switch frequency for the next test because I'm near that particular noise that I'm talking about. It's not your fault. It's on my side here. I got something turned on that makes this noise. But I now see exactly where it is, so I'm going to move up a little to avoid the interference. So take care. 7-3 from K2GOD.